this wonderful afternoon. The day cannot begin before felicitating our distinguished guests, so I request Ms. Pooja Thakur, promoter of the company, and Mr. N. Kumar Jha, Director of Prime Media, to please come forward and felicitate our distinguished guest, Dr. Raj Agrawal, Director, All India Management Association, and Mr. Maninder Singh, famous ex-cricketer. I request, ma'am, please. It is my honor and privilege to welcome you all to the Global Education Excellence Awards 2016. Today, we'll celebrate all those magnanimous and deeply impacting individuals, institutions, and organizations who have touched our day-to-day life and made this country a more knowledgeable, qualitative, safe, and secure place to live. This is an opportunity to celebrate brilliance, curiosity, discovery, excellence, and education.
Our progress as a nation can be no swifter than our progress in education. The human mind is our fundamental resource, so said John F. Kennedy. The endowment of a human mind cannot be circumscribed, and the untapped hidden potential of a human mind can be unleashed using education. Education helps people in widening their views and provides better apprehension of the environment around them. It helps human beings in broadening their thinking abilities and allows them to use the concoction of their knowledge and experience to come up with better solution for a brighter future.
It also imbibes the values of morality and legality so that they can build and maintain the strong foundations of a civilized, organized, and integrated society. Education also inculcates the feeling of sharing and caring among children so that they help in reduce the economic and social disparity that still exists in the society.
Education in India can be traced back to the 3rd century BC. We had given the world the first and finest universities like Nalanda, Takshashila, Ujjain, and Vikramshila. We have a legacy of rich and diversified education.
From the Gurukuls to the most technologically advanced classrooms, we have come a long way. Keeping in mind what education can do for us, today we are here to recognize all those personalities and groups who with their continuous and selfless efforts have lent a hand towards the development of education industry in this country.
In present, India has one of the largest higher education system, which includes more than over 2 to 7 million enrolled students and the more than 36,000 higher educational systems.
We feel proud to share that Primetime Research Media has successfully covered all major segments of education sector, that is, engineering colleges, medical colleges, training institutes, hotel management institutes, education consultants, play and senior schools from across the length and width of the nation.
We would like to thank the distinguished guest for today, Dr. Raj Agrawal, Director, All India Management Association, and Maninder Singh, famous ex-cricketer, for the gracing this occasion. Thank you, sir, for taking some time out of your hectic schedule and for being with us in this wonderful occasion. Your presence does mean a lot to us. We will forever remain grateful and indebted to all of you for your humble gesture.
Thank you all once again for being here today. Thank you for your time, support, and love. Now, before we begin, few words about Prime Time. Prime Time Research Media Private Limited is a leading global, insight-driven market research and media services company that is widely recognized for pioneering and innovative work for its clients. Being a young, dynamic, and progressive media services company, it offers a fresh, dynamic, enthusiastic, and innovative approach to market services, brand management, and media service related to it. With extremely rich experience at its core, the company offers a comprehensive approach that achieves value through deep consumer insights, innovative strategy, and solid planning. Primetime is a national company with global knowledge delivering quality outcomes locally. We'd also like to extend our heartfelt thanks to all our partners and affiliates.
Magazine partner, Business and Management Chronicle.
News partner, Pratham Pravakta.
Online news distribution partner, Newswire. Let's begin our journey for today.
Now, before we begin this beautiful journey, it's always required to take the blessings of the Almighty. For that, I request our distinguished guest, Mr. Maninder Singh and Dr. Raj Agrawal to come forward and please do the honors with the light lamping ceremony for the day. Thank you so much, sir. Can we have a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? Everybody, once again, please, a big round of applause. Thank you so much. And now, with the blessings of the Almighty, let's now begin the Global Education Excellence Awards 2016.
All right, and the first category is for schools. The demand for early childhood care and education programs continues to increase, not only in response to the growing demand for out-of-home childcare, but also in a recognition of critical importance of educational experiences. During the early years, a powerful base of schooling might be the best footing for not simply the children education, but also for their future. All right, in this category, the best play school in Ranchi. Yes, in this category, the award goes to for best play school, Nanne Kadam, a play school Ranchi. Everybody please begin.
But before that, let's welcome on stage our distinguished guest, Mr. Maninder Singh. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, and Dr. Raj Agrawal. Before we begin this beautiful ceremony, it will be unwise to let go before having a word from this distinguished guest. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Mrs. Vibha Singh of Nanne Kadam, a play school, Ranchi. A big round of applause. Congratulations, ma'am. And now, as we know, Dr. Raj Agrawal and Mr. Maninder Singh has been a source of inspiration for all of us. Now, before we begin the next round, I would request, so please, Dr. Raj Agrawal, to come forward and share some views with all of us. A big round of applause for Dr. Raj Agrawal, everyone.
Mr. Maninder Singh, Mr. Jha, Pooja Jha, distinguished guests and award winners. Definitely for me personally, this is a rare occasion to come and award the awardees, and rare occasion is why, because I am able to meet, because of this function, Mr. Maninder Singh. I was one of his very great fan when he was playing for Indian cricket, a very brilliant spinner, and he contributed a lot for India's winning in several matches, several test matches. I think during that time, this one day were not popular. One day T20 were not popular. But during conversation, I came to know that he has played under 5 captains. And during conversation, I too came to know that he is not only a cricketer and also a very prolific commentator, but he is also a very proud father who is taking care of his children very nicely, how education can be imparted, how best education can be imparted. And side by side, he is mentoring a lot of youngsters of this country to be a good cricketer. So for us, for educationists like us, definitely this is a very good learning. And I hope that that celebrities like Mr. Singh would inspire not only us but to all award winners in a similar way, similar fashion. So then our country, our youngsters, our kids, they can contribute a lot for the development of this country. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. And now I would request Mr. Maninder Singh to please come forward and share some views with us.
Good afternoon, everybody. Congratulations, first of all. First of all, I would like to congratulate Prime Time to actually recognize the work you have put in education, because I think it's very, very important in everybody's life to have some kind of education. I am a graduate, but I honestly, I get so much love from people for being a cricketer, but I miss being educated. And I think you guys are doing a wonderful job, because Jhaji told me that There are certain schemes in your schools and colleges, in whatever you're doing, where you're giving preference to underprivileged kids, which is a very, very beautiful thing. And I didn't get your name. Sanjit from Bangalore. Bangalore. I was talking to Sanjit from Bangalore and I was sharing my experiences with him. I'll be very honest with you, I really didn't know what to say when I come on stage, because that is one thing which I find very difficult. If I'm asked questions, it becomes very easy for me to answer from my experience. But since I've had a word with him, so I've got a few things to say. Education, I think it's not all the time about competition. Yes, it is a competition, but I think we as teachers, what I do, I coach a few kids. What I actually do is try and find out the mental strength of the kid I'm coaching. It's like education. Why and why not is the kid thinking the way I think? And what can I do to get him on the right path? You know, some kids, they've got this fear of failure. Some kids are overconfident. Still don't get the results, but they still stay overconfident. And as educationists, I think it becomes your duty to find out why a kid is scared and why a kid is overconfident or whatever. I think that is one department where all of you should really concentrate and try and see why somebody is not getting the results. So for that, I think psyching a kid, trying to know what is their problem, psychology comes into play. I was telling Sanjit an example of my daughter is doing masters in psychology in Newcastle from England. And in the first semester, in her projects over there in the semesters, you have to, submit projects and you get points, marks on them. So there were 5. In one, she got 62, 58, 55, 52, and one of them she got 0. Because she went a little overboard with whatever had to be written. So she was hiding it from me, and I could find out that she's hiding something. I said, Beta, I don't know why. I know you and I think you're hiding something from me. And if you don't treat me as a friend, I am your parent, but if you don't treat me as a friend and come out with it, how are you going to come out of it? So she said that I was getting 80% in my graduation in all the years, but I've just got 62, 55, 50. I said, that's very good for, the subject that you're doing. It's masters. You're not going to get 80%. So I could see the relief on her face. And then she said, but Dad, in one of the subjects, I got a duck. I said, so? Did you ask your professor, why did that happen? She said, yeah, I know it. I said, so fine, attempt it again. So Dad, you're making it so easy, it's as if it's nothing. I said, Beta, if you have put 100% effort and not got the 100% result, it doesn't matter. It will come one day. She got 58 in that subject when she appeared again after 15 days. And she calls me and she says, thanks, Dad, because if you hadn't spoken to me the way you did, probably I would have crumbled under pressure. So I think as educationists, as parents, it becomes our responsibility, because pressure to hai hi. Whatever we do, there is pressure in life. There is competition in life. How do we ease it for a kid to handle that pressure is our duty. I could stand here now and talk for hours, but I think, when we used to be called to get awards or prizes, we used to hate speeches, so I'll stop it now. I wish you all the best. Well done, everybody, and all the best for the future. And please keep helping the kids, whichever little way you can, to ease the pressure from them. Thank you.
Thank you so very much, sir, for your inspirational words.
All right, moving further, another category is for Best Preschool in Bhubaneswar, and the award goes to Sri Ram International Preschool. Everybody, please put your hands together for Sri Ram International Preschool.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Mrs. Pushpanjali Mishra, Chairperson of Sri Ram International Preschool. Congratulations, ma'am.
Many congratulations, ma'am. Thank you so much. And the next category is for Most Promising Day Boarding School in Surat. And this award goes to LP Vidya Bhavan.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Dr. Dharmendra Savani, Chairperson of LP Vidya Bhavan. Congratulations, sir. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Congratulations and thank you so much, sir. All right, and the next category is Best Private Senior Secondary School in Gwalior, and this award goes to Greenwood Public School.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Mr. Rajan Dubey of Greenwood Public School.
Congratulations and thank you so much, sir. All right, next is for Most Promising Day School in North Madhya Pradesh, and this award goes to Bhartiyam Vidya Niketan.
And for this award, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Mr. Gautam Bhakchandani, Director, and Mr. Prakash, PJ, Principal of Bhartiyam Vidya Niketan Ol.
Come on, everybody, please, huge round of applause. Thank you so much, sir. All right, including the next award for Best Upcoming Senior Secondary School in Punjab. And the award goes to LVY World School. Lavi World School. Come on, everybody, huge round of applause.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Mrs. Sanjeev Chauhan of Ivy World School. Can we have a huge round of applause for this lady, everyone? Thank you. Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Moving further, next award is for Best Preschool in Odisha, and this award goes to Masoom Kids Preschool.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Mr. Samanchal Panigrahi, founder and director of Masoom Kids Preschool. A huge round of applause, everybody.
Congratulations and thank you, sir. Yes, the next award is for Most Promising Preschool in Gujarat, and this award goes to Kidzi Learning Mantra.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Miss Amisha Ghai of Kidzi Learning Mantra. A huge round of applause. Congratulations, ma'am. All right, moving on to the next category, that is Best Web Designing and Hardware Training Institute in Ranchi. And the award goes to People Bridgai IT. And for the award, I would request Mrs. Preeti Mishra, Chairman, and Mr. Deepak Mishra, Director of People Bridgai, to please come forward and receive the award. Congratulations. Once again. Now moving on to the next category, that is Best IT Training and Consulting Company in Hyderabad. And for this award, I will congratulate NetMetric Info Solutions Private Limited, and I request Mr. Mohammed Abdur Rahman of NetMetric Info Solutions Private Limited to please come forward. Congratulations, sir. And a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations. Next, we are moving on to Best Education Institute in Skill and IT Development in Chandigarh. And the award goes to MMC Computers. For the award, I would request Ms. Anupam Jain of MMC Computers to please come forward. Congratulations, and a huge round of applause for the lady. Congratulations, ma'am, and a huge round of applause, everybody. Thank you so much. Now moving on to the next category, that is Best Private Coaching Classes in Aurangabad. For this, I would congratulate Institute of Scholars' Choice, and I request Ms. Saswat Ranjan Pati to please come forward and collect the award. All right, we shall move to the next category. That is Best Teacher Training Institute in Bangalore. Now, teachers educate us, so it's very much necessary to acknowledge this particular department. And for this, I would congratulate CCIMS Institute and request Mrs. Pushpalta Rai of CCIMS Institute to please come forward. I guess she is busy in teaching right now. So we'll move to the next category. That is Best Visual Merchandising Institute in Delhi. And the award goes to Academy of Applied Arts. Congratulations, and I request Mr. Avneet Alak to please come forward and receive the award. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause. Thank you so much, sir. Now moving on to the next category, that is Best Industrial Training Institute in Goa. And the award goes to Rajaram Institute of Industrial Technology, and I request Mr. Panduram Rajaram Naik of Rajaram Institute of Industrial Technology to please come forward. Everybody, can we have a huge round of applause? Thank you so much. Congratulations, sir. Thank you, sir. We all know about NGOs and the great work they are doing these days. So the next category is to congratulate the best children and women empowerment in Telangana. For that, I request Ms. Saida Arza of Helping to Hand to please come forward and receive the award. A big round of applause, everybody. Congratulations, sir. Now moving on to the next category, that is Best Education Consultancy in Karnataka. And the award goes to Galaxy Educational Services. Congratulations, and I request Mr. Mohammed Shalu to please come forward and receive the award. Can we have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? Congratulations, sir. Now, moving on to the next category, that is Best Education Consultant in North Bengal. And for this, I congratulate All India Education Development Trust, and I request Mr. Sakash Shekhar Pramanik to please come forward and receive the award. All right, let's move to the next category. That is Award for Best Contribution in Education Excellence in Karnataka. And the award goes to Philip Kotler Center for Advanced Marketing. Congratulations, and I request Professor Priyanka PV, Director of Philip Kotler Center for Advanced Marketing, to please come forward. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for the lady. Congratulations, ma'am. Now moving on to the next category. Being an IAS officer is obviously considered to be the most highest rank in government jobs, and the most promising IAS coaching institute in North India goes to Chronicle. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Mr. Vikas Ranjan from Chronicle. Congratulations, sir. Can we have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much. Congratulations, sir. Now the next category is Most Promising Degree College in West India. And for that, I would congratulate BPHE Societies Ahmednagar College. Please welcome on stage Dr. S.P. Iyer, Academy and Research Coordinator of BPHE Societies, Ahmednagar College. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations, sir. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, as we all know, we have come a long way from Gurukuls to the advanced technology, and nowadays, education and technology go hand in hand. So the next category is best use of technology in competitive exam preparation in India. And the award goes to Target Educare Private Limited. Congratulations, and I request Mr. Praveen Bansal and Mr. Manish Bansal of Target Educare Private Limited to please come forward. Congratulations, sir, and a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. Now moving on to the next segment, that is engineering. As we all know, the world today is becoming a place in which the human population is becoming more crowded, more consuming, more polluting, more connected, and in many ways less diverse than at any point in history. Considering the problems facing our planet today and the problems expected to arise in the future, we are glad to the engineering profession that contributes to the building of a more sustainable, stable, and equitable world. Engineers are behind the cars we drive, the pills we pop, and the way we power our homes. Ladies and gentlemen, the next category of award is for all those institutions that are nurturing and training our future engineers. So let's begin the next category, and that is Best Industry Interface Engineering College in Mathura. For that, I would like to congratulate Sanskriti Institute of Management and Technology. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mr. Sachin Gupta of Sanskriti Institute of Management and Technology. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations, sir. Now moving on to the next category, that is Academic Excellence for Technical Education in Jaipur. For that, the award goes to Dr. Radhakrishnan Institute of Technology. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mr. Sumit Tetarwal. A huge round of applause, everybody. Congratulations, sir. Moving on to the next category, that is BTL, Best Private Engineering College in Bangalore. For that, the award goes to BTL Institute of Technology and Management. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for BTL Institute of Technology and Management. All right, let's move to the next category. That is the most promising private polytechnic college in Bangalore. And the award goes to KS Polytechnic, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for KS Polytechnic, and I request Mr. Himadri Naidu to please come forward. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's move to the next category. That is most innovative private engineering college in Gujarat. And the award goes to Babaria Institute of Technology. Congratulations, and I request Mr. Dhruv J. Patel of Babaria Institute of Technology to please come forward. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause. Thank you so much. Congratulations. The next category is Most Promising Engineering College in UP. And the award goes to SR Group of Institutions. Congratulations, Dr. Ashish Mukhopadhyay. And can we have a huge round of applause for the gentleman, everybody? Thank you so much. Congratulations, sir. Moving on to the next category, that is Best Private Engineering College in West Bengal. And the award goes to JIS College of Engineering. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Dr. Som Subra Gupta, Dean Academics of JIS College of Engineering. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations. Can we have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much. Now moving on to the next category, that is the most innovative private polytechnic college in Rajasthan. And the award goes to JIS College of Engineering. And I request Mr. Deen Dayal, Dean Academics of Deen Dayal Polytechnic College, to please come forward. I'm sorry, there has been a mistake. The award goes to Deen Dayal Polytechnic College. Do we have Mr. Deen Dayal? All right, let's move to the next category. That is Engineering College with Best Learning Environment in Haryana. And the award goes to Geeta Group of Institutions. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have Mr. Ankush Bansal, Vice Chairman, and Dr. Prerna Dhawan, the Dean of Geeta Group of Institutions? Can we have a huge round of applause, everybody? Congratulations. DKTE Societies Textile. Thank you so much. Let's move on to the next category. That is the most promising institute for academic excellence in Western India. And the award goes to DKTE Society's Textile and Engineering Institute. And for the honors, I would request Dr. P.V. Kadole from DKTE Society's Textile and Engineering Institute to please come forward. All right, let's move on to the next segment. Initially, from primary to secondary and then to higher education, the business management and hotel management have joined us in the larger sphere. Today's world is fiercely competitive. We are always running around trying to make the most of it. What we crave most in today's world is success. And for becoming a successful business leader, having critical business and management skill is the most important thing. I hope you all agree with me. So now we'll start on the next category of awards. We'll recognize all those institutions which are helping students learn business management skills and develop the same to their full potential. Hotel management is also one of the key areas we are touching on in this category. We are living in consumer-oriented environment where we treat our customers as God. Luxury, good food, relaxing and elegant places we all love for. In our next category, we are appreciating those who make all this possible for us with a pleasant smile on their face. So, the first award in this category is Best Emerging Hospitality and Hotel Management Training Institute in Kolkata. For this, the award goes to Indian Institute of Hotel Management, and I request Mr. Subhashish Roy, Principal of Indian Institute of Hotel Management, to please come forward. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause. Thank you so much, sir. Moving on to the next category, that is Best Hotel Management Institute. And the award goes to International Institute of Hotel Management. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Yogita Sharon and Mr. Ravi Sharma from International Institute of Management, Hotel Management. Congratulations, sir. It is to be mentioned that the award is given in 7 categories. It is given to respective regions of IHM Pune, Bangalore, Jaipur, Ahmedabad, and Hyderabad. So a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Many, many congratulations, sir. Congratulations. Now moving on to the next category, that is Best Hospitality and Hotel Management Training Institute in Kolkata. Ladies and gentlemen, the award goes to NIMAS, NIMAS, and I request Mr. Sudeep Bhattacharya, Chairman from NIMAS, to please come forward. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations. Now moving on to the next category, that is Best Distance Management Learning Institute in Mumbai. And the award goes to Indian School of Business Management, and I request Dr. Vinay M. Agrawal of Indian School of Business Management to please come forward. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is time to move on to the next segment. As we all know, medical care is the most revered profession. The saving of lives in acute, life-threatening emergencies, however, represents a very small component of the total medical effort that is put on to a much larger effort devoted to preventive or curative measures. And these do have a large and measurable effect on the life expectancy of the population as a whole. An even greater component of medical effort is devoted to improving the quality of life, or more accurately, to preventing or to minimizing the poor quality of life associated with chronic diseases, to the relief of pain, disfigurement, and disability. So for this category, we are beginning the first award, that is Best Private Nursing College in Srinagar. And the award goes to Kashmir Institute of Medical Sciences and Technology. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Dr. Hafizullah Nail of Kashmir Institute of Medical Sciences and Technology. As we have seen in the previous years, decade or so, biotechnology has emerged as one of the major trades. So we are beginning the next round, that is Best Biotechnology and Life Science Institute in Delhi NCR. And the award goes to Pathfinder Academy Private Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, we have with us Mr. Pranav Kumar, Director of Pathfinder Academy Private Limited. Can we have a huge round of applause, everybody? Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Moving on to the next category. As we all know, doctors are very much crucial, but more crucial are the medicines that they describe. So now we are moving on to the Best Private Pharmacy College in UP. And the award goes to Aryakul College of Pharmacy and Research. Can we have on stage Mr. Shashkant Singh, Managing Director, and Professor Durgesh Mani Tripathi, Principal of Aryakul College of Pharmacy and Research. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for this noble cause. Everybody. Thank you so much. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations, Mr. Shashakt Singh and Professor Durgesh Mani Tripathi on the achievement. Now moving on to the next category. As we all know, doctors are revered, medicines are necessary, but when you are in pain, physiotherapy comes a long way. So moving on to the next category, that is Most Innovative Private Physiotherapy College in Punjab. Ladies and gentlemen, the award goes to Gyan Sagar College of Physiotherapy. Put your hands together for Dr. Amandeep Singh, Principal of Gyan Sagar College of Physiotherapy. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations. And now we move to the next category, that is most innovative private physiotherapy college in Punjab. That's done. Thank you so much. Congratulations, sir. That is best alternate medicine institute in West Bengal. And the award goes to Council of Alternative System of Medicines. And I request Mr. Tapas Kumar Biswas, Principal of Council of Alternative System of Medicines, to please come forward. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the gentleman. Everybody. Congratulations, sir. Now, the next category that we are going to follow is Best Biotechnology College in North India. And the award goes to Chandigarh Group of Colleges. Congratulations to Dr. Upendra Kumar Jain, Director of Department of Biotechnology, Chandigarh Group of Colleges. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for this gentleman. Ladies and gentlemen, the next category is Most Promising Private University in North India. And the award goes to JECRC University. Put your hands together for the gentleman. Professor Utpal Chakravarti and Mrs. Chakravarti of JECRC University. We need a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Put your hands together. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations, ma'am. Now moving on to the next category, that is Best Principal for Education and Leadership in Indore. Now when we think of the term principal, we all are scared, as I was when I was a kid. So this is pretty special award. And the award goes to Global Indian International School, and I request Dr. Dinisha Bhardwaj Singh of Global Indian International School to please come forward. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for this lovely lady. Congratulations, ma'am. Now moving on to the next category, that is Best Principal for Teacher Training Institute in Meghalaya. The award goes to Mr. John Parikimalil, and I request, so please come forward to have the award. Everybody, can we have a huge round of applause? Thank you so much. Congratulations, sir. We are almost near the end, so I want all of you please come forward with your enthusiastic claps. We need them desperately. Now moving on to the next category, that is Best Professor for Electrical and Electronics Engineering in Telangana. And the award goes to Dr. N. Venkata Ramana. Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for this wonderful gentleman. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations. Now moving on to the next category, that is Best Teacher for Chemical Engineering and Biotechnology in Telangana. Once again, I would request everybody to clap their loudest for Dr. P.V. Naga Prapurna. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations. Now moving on, this is the last award for the day. So please keep your enthusiasm high as we are moving on to Best Innovative Teaching Practices and Quality Education in West India. The award goes to Mr. Atul Tyagi. Can we have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? There's a bit suspense over here because we have one more award left. And the award is in the category. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the last award for the day is Best Education Consultant in North Bengal. And the award goes to All India Education Development Trust. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mr. Sankha Shekhar Pramanik, Managing Director. Best Education Consultant in North Bengal. And the award goes to All India Education Development Trust. Put your hands together for this wonderful gentleman. I request Mr. Sankha Shekhar Pramanik, Managing Director of All India Education Development Trust, to please come forward to collect the award. All right, ladies and gentlemen, before we end this beautiful day and ceremony, I request once more, please, everybody, you are at the pinnacle of success in your respective fields. So I request everyone to put your hands together for your own self. You have been a fantastic audience today. And I can't let you go just like this. The winning moments must be captured and shared and revered for life. I request all the winners to please come on stage for the group photograph with our esteemed and distinguished guests for the day. This day shall remain incomplete without this precious photograph that we are going to share and enjoy throughout our lives. ये रहा। Congratulations to all the winners.